Second one is he is my best friend. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. He is my best friend. Okay. So he is the underlined word here. So here also you have to tell which part of speech it belongs to. He belongs to. Is it noun? Is it a verb? Is it pronoun? Is it noun? Or is it conjunction? Okay. So I told you in the first question only, verb is kriyapada, action, which indicates action. Alva. So he is not an action. Okay. So it is not a noun because noun should be the name of person, place, or things, isn't it? So he is not the name of any person. He is not the name of any place. He is not the name of any thing. Okay. So it is not noun. It is not conjunction because conjunction means and but ಇವೆಲ್ಲ joining words are called as conjunction. So he is not a joining word. Here he is a which part of speech. He is nothing but pronoun. Okay. So pronoun means the noun. Okay. So instead of using noun repeatedly in the sentence, we will use the pronoun. Okay. Like he, she, it ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ pronoun ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, Rahul is a clever boy. Rahul studies well. Rahul is hardworking. Rahul listens to his parents. It indicates the qualities of Rahul, isn't it? So instead of using Rahul again and again in the sentence repeatedly, we can use he, isn't it? Children, okay? A word that substitutes noun or phrases used to avoid repetition of and improve flow of the sentences. Repetition of the noun and improving the flow of sentences are called as pronouns. Okay. For example, he, she, it, they, all those are considered as pronouns. Okay, children. So for example, Rahul is a clever boy. He studies well. He scores good marks in the examinations. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅವನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? he. ಓಕೆನಾ? So he is pronoun. Option B, pronoun is the correct answer.